So I'm pretty sure a lot of you have Son, and you are trying to remove him from your team because of his injury now. And there has been a lot of question about who should you replace Son with. And I have some watch list to replace Son. I have some options for him, and I'll talk about it now with the good fixtures and informed players. So my first player is Zaha. His price has now risen from 7.1 to 7.2, and I think it is for a reason because now, as I said, the way that the FPL points are being returned right now, players taking penalties, I think that is the way that FPL managers are looking to get points returned. And I think the fixtures for Zaha in upcoming game weeks are easy too. Although they face Chelsea next, Chelsea particularly have not been very good defensively. So yeah, I don't think that is the worst fixture. But after Chelsea, they face Brighton and Fulham and Wolves and Leeds. So not that bad run of fixtures. And Palace are playing pretty good right now. And Zaha is kind of talisman in that team, and he's on penalties, and he will start every game. He's a nailed on option. So yeah, Zaha particularly does not look like a bad option to replace Son. If you don't have extra money, I think you should go for Zaha. And after fourth game week, there is a international break, I think. So some things might change after the international break, but for now, Zaha particularly does not look like a bad option. And if you have extra money to invest on Son, if you still have some money in the bank and you can go for some other premium player like Fernandes or De Bruyne or Salah or Mane, you might want to invest on them too to replace Son. But if you don't have that kind of extra money, Zaha is one of the options. And now my next option is Barnes. So Barnes was very good individually. Looking at that match against Man City, Vardy and Barnes were pretty active in that game, and Barnes particularly did impress me. Although he does not take the set pieces, although the set pieces are taken by Madison and Vardy, I think Barnes is a good value for money. For I think 7 million, he's a good choice, and his fixtures are good too. And Leicester did perform very good. Particularly Vardy and Barnes were very good against Man City, breaking down that defense. And I think next game is against West Ham United and Aston Villa. So West Ham did win against Wolves, but still, Wolves are a quality team. That might just be a fluke. They might get back and bouncing. So I don't think game against West Ham is a bad one. So Barnes is one of the options for 7 million, although he's not on penalties or set pieces. One of the reasons that Zaha is a better choice is because he's on penalties and has good fixtures and he's in form. And yeah, if you don't have Vardy and you are looking for a cheaper price Leicester player to make some impact and return some FPL points, I think Barnes is one of the players you might want to look at. Now my next player is another Crystal Palace choice, who might be a good differential if it works out. I think that will help your rank a lot, and that is Townsend. So one of the reason I say that Townsend is a good replacement option for Son is because Townsend is taking set pieces from the right side. He takes the right corners, he takes the right free kicks, and I think direct free kicks too. And he's a nailed-on option for 6 million, and he has been returning decent points since game week 1. He returned 8 points in the first game week, 9 points in the second game week, and 5 points in the third game week, and he has played 90 minutes all the games. So I don't think Townsend is particularly a bad idea, but still, as I said, he's a big differential choice. He might work out, he might not work out, that is your risk. But I do think if you want to save money off of Zaha, Townsend is not that bad of an option. Next game is against Chelsea, but after that they face Brighton, Fulham, Wolves, Leeds. I don't think those are particularly tough fixtures compared to opponents like Liverpool or Man City. I think Brighton, Fulham are very easy teams. So yeah, I don't think Townsend is the worst option. You might want to peek an eye on him. Do your researches, but I do think Townsend is one of the best option. If you can't spend more money than you already have, I mean, if you can add money on Son's value and you want a lower valued player, I think Zaha and Townsend are the ones you might want to look at. So moving on, my next choice, another differential choice for Son replacement is Trossard. So now, I know Trossard is even a bigger differential than Townsend, and he's a nailed-on option. It looks like that. He has played all the 3 games, all the starting 3 games, and he has played all the games 90 minutes. And in the first game, he returned 8 points, in the second 6, in the third 1, and the fixtures are not that bad either. Next is against Everton, and although Everton are a very good attacking side, they are not the best defensive side yet. It looks like they will concede. And after Everton, Brighton face Crystal Palace and West Brom. I don't think that is particularly a bad fixture. So yeah, he's nailed on. He's playing very well. And March also looks like a good choice, but still, I think that would be too much of a differential. But Trossard does look like a good choice for 6 million, but I don't think he's on set pieces. So that is why Townsend for 6 million looks like a good pick because he has good fixtures too. And Trossard also has good fixtures. Maupay is another choice you might want to look at, but he's in forward position, so you can't replace him with Son. So yeah, although he's not on set pieces and penalties, you might want to look at him as a differential with good fixtures and playing well, because he did play very good against Man United. I think he had 3 shots hit the woodwork against Man United. Man United were very lucky to get a win in that game. So yeah, my another pick is Trossard. You can compare him with Townsend maybe and make your decision. So I have other 2 picks for similar price range of Zaha, but still I don't think they are as good pick as Zaha, but I'll still name them. I think Zaha and Barnes are the best player right now for that value, for 7 million and 7.1. So other 2 players are Mount and Lucas Moura. But the thing that worries me about Mount is after the international break, after 4th game week, I think Ziyech and Pulisic will be back, and I'm trying to see where he fits in. After Ziyech, Havertz, Pulisic, Warner will play in that midfield and striking area. So I feel like Mount is not a permanent choice. He's just a temporary pick, I think. So yeah, I would personally stay away from Mount, but still he's a choice. But still, I would personally not recommend Mount yet, because as I said, after the main players return, I think there will be some kind of rotation for Mount. Although I know how much Lampard admires Mount, but still I don't think he's a permanent choice. And talking about Lucas Moura, he did score in the last game, but still not the best option. But still, if you want to, I think he will now play regularly since there is no Son. I think Ali will also be back in that Tottenham team, maybe maybe not, but still we'll have to look at it. But I think Lucas Moura will be a regular now since there is no Son. So yeah, Lucas Moura might be another choice, but still I would personally not go for him. Looking at the fixtures and the team play, I'm not very convinced with the way that Spurs and Man United are playing right now. So I'm trying to stay away from the players of those teams. So these are my picks to replace Son if you are searching for the options. And these are not just for replacing Son. I think these are the list of the differential picks that I wanted to talk about. And I think these are very cheap players, cheap quality players with good fixtures and informed players. So I think this will save you some money to invest it somewhere else in upcoming game weeks. And what I learned from this game week is that differential are important in your team, because for this game week I think Vardy was a big differential. Although many of us own him, nobody expected that Vardy would score a hat-trick. So yeah, that might happen with Zaha next week. He might score, I don't know, brace or a hat-trick against Chelsea. I'm not saying it will happen, but yeah, that is a chance. So these are my picks to replace Son and some differential choices you might want to look at. I might be coming out with a wildcard video for this game week soon. So for now, bye bye.